First of all, I was very much attracted by the name Miraj only. I like the name.
अरे वाह.
Yeah, so I, based on experience and on your book, your novel, I have prepared some questions. So shall we
Okay.
start the?
Sure.
Are you
Great.
ready?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay, sure, sure. So here's my first question, and that is, what was the most difficult scene to write or like elaborate so that reader can make out more from what you are trying to let them feel or express?
I have two scenes.
Right.
One was the past of the main character, that's Bethany Carlson.
Yeah.
So उसका past लिखना थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए difficult था because I had to write something which reader कौन से कि अरे ये तो बहुत normal सा है या इतना build up हुआ just for that sake. So I had to spend few hours to know कि ऐसा क्या हो सकता है एक person की life में कि वो इतना बदल जाए, मतलब क्लोज टू दैट पर्सन्स हार्ट कि इतना उसको टच कर जाए. देन नेक्स्ट वाज द स्टार्टिंग एक्चुअली, मतलब मैंने स्टार्टिंग पहले लिख लिया था बट द स्टार्टिंग व्हिच रीडर्स रीड नाउ इज एक्चुअली द बेटर वर्जन ऑफ द स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर्स. अर्लियर द स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर्स वर समथिंग एल्स, फिर आई डिलीटेड देम एंड देन आई wrote them again. At least I think first or two chapters in the starting. So that was the difficult scenes.
The hardest part. Okay. So, what is your writing kryptonite? Like you hate it. Maybe in the writing process or in another author's novel, you hate them.
Maybe grammatical errors. I if I find something which I don't understand, I just Google it. मुझे अच्छा लगता है नई नई चीजें पढ़ना. But if there is some grammatical error, and that too in a novel, so it irks me a bit. कि अगर if you are an author, you should proofread it 2-3 times, but it's okay. But yeah,
So you correct it.
it literally irks any reader off. अगर वो grammatical error पकड़ में आ जाता है तो.
It's just not expected from any kind of novel. As you mentioned, publishing and all that. So writing a book or a novel is a great thing. It consumes a lot of time. So how was your lifestyle schedule hampered? Like how did you manage your personal life or other?
Yeah, that's a good question. So actually मैं खुद writer के मतलब एक apart from an author, I'm also a professional blogger or a writer. So मेरा professional life ही writing है. मतलब either I'm writing blogs or I'm writing website content or I'm writing stories. So it's just one thing or another. मेरा पूरा उसी से ही surrounded है. And moreover, I am working from home for past many years. अच्छा खासा establish कर लिया है clientele वगैरह. So I somehow manage my personal life कि कुछ देर I spend it with my family या कुछ देर I spend it with my sibling या कभी market चल जाते हैं just to keep things normal and toned down कि हमेशा सिर्फ काम
So
काम.
like personal life, right? So how did your family reacted to this? What was their reactions? Were they fine with your writing career and all that? Since we live in
Yeah. What?
Since we live in Indian society, so therefore.
अरे नहीं, they are very supportive. मतलब मेरे पूरे family members, they are highly proud of me कि family में पहली author है. So they are bragging about it. जिसको मिलते हैं they brag about it कि ये author है.
That's good. So, would you and your main character get along? It could be a male lead and a female lead. So,
if I would to meet Gerald, that's the main male lead, I would get along with him definitely because he's a very sweet and straightforward guy. But initially, if I meet Bethany, I won't really mingle with her because she's really uptight. But eventually, at the end of the novel, she tones down her personality. She mends with Gerald's personality because she falls in love with him and all that. So yeah, at the end, obviously you'll mingle. We'll all have a great Christmas party.
It will be easy for you to, match up, right?
Yeah.
So, what's the most difficult thing for writing characters from the opposite sex? Since you're a girl, you can make a whole character development for a female character. What about the male character?
Yeah, it's the point of view or perspective of a male. उसके लिए you have to at least get that copy read by a male or 2-3 male friends of yours to see कि थोड़ा girlish नहीं हो रहा है overthinking नहीं हो रहा है, but some words men use often, some words females would use often, या उनकी thinking process थोड़ा different होता है, but borderline same ही रहता है. अगर आप modern authors की आप novels वगैरह देखें तो it's nothing girlish anymore. It's just that कि आपको male character से connect होना चाहिए, और उसके लिए you have to ask your male friends around you कि ये connect हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा तुमसे.
Get the real experience and all that.
Yes, उसके अंदर reality embed कर दो तो it's better.
What are your expectations from readers? Like, how would you describe your ideal reader?
The ideal reader would be anyone who would actually give his or her time to read any book, not just mine, कि वो passionate है उस book को पढ़ने के लिए and not just skimming through the pages. If a reader is giving his or her time, and it's very well appreciated, because एक author को वही चाहिए होता है. So I expect what I expect from my reader is that वो enjoy करे novel को. मैंने उसी perspective से बनाया कि it's highly dramatic and entertainment novel for many readers.
Yeah, provides every genre, highs
Yeah.
and lows.
Yeah.
So here's my other question. If you were to write a spin-off about a side character, who would you pick and why?
I would pick maybe Trisha. It's the employee, which the main female character Bethany hires at her tattoo parlor. So initially I have left some hints in the novel if you read it. So maybe if I gain certain reachability of this novel, maybe I will write a spin-off or a sequel which will include another love story of surrounding same characters. That may happen in future, I'm not sure right now. But it would be Trisha.
Right. So what do you think will happen after the books end, after the novel ends, to your character? What will happen to your characters?
Now that I don't know if I should reveal the ending or not, but but it's a happy ending novel. So obviously they would discover more about their life which they couldn't earlier. So I would expect obviously that how they spend time together after so many struggles and all that.
Right.
So yeah, they would just live a normal or simple life, or maybe face new challenges.
And solve them. Yeah. Okay. So now, since you're a writer and an experienced writer, so what are your insights or advice to the upcoming authors or writers, novelists?
Build your tribe. That is something which I didn't have when I started this novel, because when you have loyal readers, loyal writers around you, they will always guide you to a perfect journey. कि ये set scene है, ये scene इसको delete कर दो, it's not jamming with the theme of your story. This is something which I lacked. I had a beta reader and she was really good, but apart from that beta reader, मेरे पास वो tribe उस time नहीं था readers और writers का. If I had that tribe around me, तो मैं obviously ये शायद story और निखर के आती and और ज़्यादा masses में जाती. So I would tell aspiring writers to never lose hope and keep finding those similar people around you.
Right. Okay, so we'll come to an end to your interview. Thank you so much. I got some great insights and advices from you. So yeah.
Thank you. Great.